Oh well, everyone, let's go back to how to implement the selection sort in Java. So now this is the code. Okay, so let's just review it. So now we need two variables. One is min and the other one is temp. The min means you are going to record the smallest element's index. So min is for the index and temp is for you to do the swap. And now we need two for loop. We need two for loop. The outer for loop is for you to swap the element, and the inner for loop is for you to find the smallest element. So the outer for loop, let's see, you need to start from the first one. Of course, you are going to find the smallest number in the first slot, and then the second smallest number in the second slot. So I need to start from 0, and i's range, the range of I, okay, since we don't need to find the position for the last element, so the range of I will be less than a.length minus 1. And then here, okay, after we go into the first element of the first for loop, then of course we need to set the minimum as I, so that we know, okay, which element that we're going to swap. And then we need to create a second for loop here. The second for loop, this one is for you to find the smallest number. But again, okay, we are going to find the index. So again, you are going to traverse from the next element, okay, so which is I plus 1, okay, until the end. So j need to be less than a dot, then, and then, okay, if a min is greater than aj, then you are going to record the index. All right, so after you find, or if you don't find it, okay, either way, after you finish the for loop here, the inner for loop, then of course the min, the value of min might be changed or doesn't change, okay, but anyway, okay, we're going to check, okay, if it has been changed, which means there's a number which is smaller than the current element, then you need to swap. Otherwise you don't need to swap it. So this part is for you to do the swap. Okay, so any questions? I think that's very easy and very straightforward. Okay, so for implementing the selection sort, you need a nested for loop to implement the selection sort. The outside for loop, okay, is for you to swap the element. See, okay, this one and this one for you to swap the element, and the inside for loop is for you to find the smallest element. And of course, if it is the one that, if okay, it is the one at the right position, then after you traverse it, you won't swap. Okay, so if you don't have any questions, then you can do the practice on page 4.